Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting the iPhone to your Mac with an original cable. This ensures a stable data link. Once connected, open Finder, do not use iTunes on newer macOS, and select your device from the sidebar. Make sure you have a current backup. Choose Backup Now in Finder or confirm iCloud Backup to preserve data. While the Mac downloads firmware, keep the iPhone unlocked and trust the computer when prompted. This prevents interruptions and readies the device for the update. Once Finder shows your iPhone, click Check for Update to fetch the latest firmware metadata. The Mac will download the IPSWA in the background. Make sure you do not disconnect the cable. A dropped connection can corrupt the install. When prompted, choose Update rather than Restore to preserve apps and settings. The Mac verifies the downloaded package, then the iPhone restarts into the update phase. While waiting, monitor progress bars on both devices and avoid heavy CPU tasks that slow the Mac's download. You finish when the iPhone reboots and shows the unlock/setup screens. Follow on-screen steps to complete activation. If the update stalls or fails, first retry with the same steps, then try a different cable, USB port, or restart the Mac. If Finder reports errors, boot the iPhone into recovery mode and attempt the update again. Use Restore only as last resort because it erases data. Finally, make sure iCloud or your Finder backup is intact so you can recover anything lost during.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.